From Ayama, we present you a video tutorial on the operation of the Panther Plus. To begin, we will press the On key to start the Panther Plus. Use the game buttons to move the cursor around the screen. To record a new memory, start by switching on the transmitter. Select the menu button, press once to enter the menu and select memory and press OK. Use the game buttons to move the cursor around the screen. Select the numbers to enter the channel and the letters to give it a name. Once you have selected the channel and the name, select OK to finish. Selecting PT4 will help you listen to very distant transmitters, which are difficult to detect mixed with background noise, by amplifying the strong signal cleanly and clearly. You can retune the transmitter by pressing Tune. We will select Manual or Automatic to retune. We hope this video tutorial has been helpful.